Since we will never allow end users to directly touch upon the database tables that we created, for security reasons, we don't want them to come randomly change our database structure or data that has already been entered. So we will provide nice database tools for them to use to interact with our data. The first such tool we will create is a form. So we'll design a form. Let's close our data table. We have 4 records there. And to create our form, we will use the design. And then we will add existing fields. We have barcode. Double click on them one by one. All those fields will be added to this form. And we will use, we have 2 forms. Let's remove that one. This form will be used for the user to enter new records. So if we look at the form view, what we see is our form nicely displayed. The user can enter barcode, title, the publication date, or if the book is on loan. And we can go to the next record until we reach empty records where the user can enter a new record. So let's see. This time we have a book called Rats, and the author is a rat. Publication date would be 12 March 1908, and it is on loan. And we will forward to the next record, and the 5th record will be saved. And we will go back to check to see if our record has been saved. So now we have 5 records, although the barcode here is 6 because I was practicing. I had a record created, then removed it. So the barcode now is 6. But we have 5 records. So this form is rather nice, but it has a problem. The problem is that this form allows people to go through all your records. You don't want people to go through all your records. You only want people to enter new records for security reasons. So in case they accidentally change anything. So we will change this form to make it to be able to only enter new records. The user cannot look at the old records. So again, go to the design view and then click on property sheet. And we select the form because we're going to change the property of this form. And under the data type tab, we have a field called data entry. Change this to yes. And then save the form. We'll call it book entry form. And now when we go to the form view, we will not be able to see any of the previous records. We'll only see new records. So this is one of the new records. So let's try to enter another record. So I now entered another record number 7. And now if we go to the book view, we'll have to close this and then double click on it again. The horses book is entered. So that's called a data entry form. You don't allow people to look at your previous records. The existing records are hidden. You only allow people to enter new records. Okay, that's the form for now.